The safety and well-being of our guests and colleagues is always a top priority for us at Hyatt. We will now take you through the preventive measures undertaken by Hyatt Regency Chennai as guided by World Health Organization. Guests and associates entering the hotel will have to sanitize their hands and go through a mandatory temperature check by our trained security personnel using infrared thermometer. Guest luggage has to be disinfected before it reaches the lobby or a guest room. We are at the beautiful atrium lobby of Hyatt Regency Chennai. Social distancing is important and we have taken necessary measures and made floor marks which are at a distance of 1.5 meter from each other. Our front office team members are prepared with necessary protective gears. Please be assured the pens and key cards are sanitized as per the satisfaction of our hygiene manager. Living up to Hyatt's care and commitment, I introduce you to our hygiene manager. Our hygiene manager, along with his team, ensures all the touch points are sanitized and disinfected after every 2 hours. To practice social distancing, we have made necessary floor marks near and inside the elevator. We are a proud hotel to have the largest king room in the city. All the rooms in our hotel are well equipped with hand sanitizer, mask and a dry tissue box. Please be assured all the rooms are sanitized and disinfected prior to guest check-in. Our team members are prepared with necessary preventive gears such as disposable apron, masks, gloves and goggles which will be changed after sanitizing every other room. All the touch points in the room are disinfected with medically recommended sanitizer. Body temperature check is mandatory before entering any restaurant in the hotel. After every service, the tables and the chairs at the restaurants will be sanitized by our trained team members with medically recommended sanitizer. To follow social distancing in the restaurants, the tables are set with a distance of 1.5 meter from each other. With printed menus being done away with, we have introduced scanning of QR codes as a convenient way to have a look at the menu on your phone screens, introducing digital menu. With a 30,000 square feet of banqueting space in the hotel, we would like to show you the new normal of boardroom setup where the chairs are strategically placed at a distance of 1.5 meter from each other. Let us introduce you to a few of our guests who have been staying with us since the past few months to talk about their preparedness taken by Hyatt Regency Chennai.
Hyatt Chennai, Hyatt Regency Chennai, prepared everything okay. Countermeasure for social distance, sanitary is all perfect. 準備ができました。再開できます。よろしく。
We feel really safe here. Very confident. It's a really safe hotel. We're ready.
Shizuka guys, they are ready. You look ready 100%. They are ready.
We are ready to serve you again.